Hello everyone, today we have got the exciting topic to discuss here. This is every Android user should know about it. That is, if you want to copy multiple things together and just you can click and see all of them, how you can do that. Let me show you. Just you need to type anything. Okay, I'm typing this good morning and then I'll just copy this. Copy. Let me erase this. Hello. I'll just copy this again. Copy. Message, or you can just type anything randomly, or you can copy images also. Like I'll go here and search for something. Literally you can copy everything. I'll go to this photo option and then I will copy image. I have copied image also. Let me go here. You can is those things are already copied here. You can just click on this arrow, three arrow here, and click on this clipboard option. As you can see, this message, hello, image, good morning, whatever you have copied, everything is here. Just you need to click here and just click on send. This is a shortcut method to save everything in the keyboard. Look, I'm just sending this image also. Literally you can copy each and everything and you can just go here and select the one and then you can just send it, or you can delete those things. Go to clipboard and if you want to select and delete, select it. Now you can delete this. If you want to select all, click on delete button, select all, and then delete this. This is the fun way of doing. You don't need to type the word multiple times. If you want to type multiple times, just you can copy and just click and send it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you in the next video.